Hi guys, are you tired of manually typing text from images? I know it can be very frustrating. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can easily copy any text on images. Yes, you heard me right. Any text on any image. You can just copy it in just 1 second. Alright? Do share this video so that others can also benefit from this tutorial. Let me show you how. Alright, so for you to copy text on images, you need to have downloaded the image, right? Just get the image to your phone. Let's say this one, alright? You can view it, but I can't copy it because it's an image, right? That's what I want to show you. So get it to your phone like this. Then look for Photos, Google Photos. You can see this here. This app, Google Photos. Just open it. Once you have the image on your phone, it's going to be on Google Photos too. So once you have it like that, as you open it, it will be under Photos. Just check if the image is here. If it's not here, come to Collections. You are going to see it under Collections. That one I just showed you now is here under Canva. So I'll open it. So once you open the image, just come to Lens, Google Lens. You can see the lens here. Tap on Lens and it's going to read all the texts on the page and you can see it has highlighted it. So any section you want to copy, just tap on it and drag to wherever you want to copy. If it's everything, for instance, let me copy everything here. So I'll just highlight everything and then click on copy. Once you tap on it once, it has copied everything here. If you think I'm joking, let me go and paste it somewhere. I'll come here and I'll paste. That is everything on that page. Everything has been copied. Everything, you can see. Okay. You may not be saying, okay, maybe because this one is clear. Let me look for something blur. Something that looks blurry. I downloaded some other test images that are a little blur. You can see this one is blur. Let me look for something that is more blurry. Okay, so just the same thing, tap on Lens. It's going to read the image and that's it. I want to copy everything. Tap on it and then drag this thing you are seeing here, drag it to cover all the areas you want to copy and then tap on copy. That is it. Everything will be copied and paste it wherever you want to make use of it and boom. That's it. You can see it started with trapped alone in a dark cage, blah, blah, blah. Let's go there and find out if it did justice to it. See, trapped alone in a cage, in a dark cage. That is it, guys. So that's how to copy. That's how to copy text on images. Very, very simple. If you find this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comment section and don't forget to share this video. Others are waiting to also learn from this. So thank you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.